Hey everyone, my name's Alex Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about importing and an Amazon business. So if you're actually in an importing business right now or an Amazon business, we're going to be talking about the lifestyle aspects of being in that business. I'm also author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been teaching people how to import for about 10 years now. So let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So today's tip is actually create a lifestyle out of this business. You are going to work hard in this business. This isn't a business where you sort of make money while you sleep, and well, you can, but there is work. What I'm saying is this is a business that you do need to work in. All right, there's a lot of hard work, especially at the beginning, setting it up. But it's also a lot of fun being in this business because you're constantly looking at hot products, you're constantly calling suppliers, you're constantly traveling overseas, especially to China. You don't have to initially, but it's great to actually go over there because you'll find when you meet them face to face, you do get a way better price. But while you're over there, have a holiday. This is a lifestyle business after all. If you have everything set up and you've got someone looking after the products in the warehouse and you've got someone to send it out for you, what's stopping you from working overseas? What I occasionally do when I fly to China, I'm going to Guangzhou in a couple of weeks. When I fly over there, on the way back, I usually drop by Phuket, which is in Thailand, or I'll go to Bali and I have a 2-week holiday. And this is something you guys can do as well because you can still work from there. You bring up your laptop, you sit on the beach or you sit in the resort by the pool and you do work. This is a good business, especially if you start thinking about how you can outsource a lot of the menial tasks to other people. In the Philippines, you can hire people to work for you for about $4 to $5 per hour, and they do a lot of other stuff, like they can do a lot of the admin stuff, answer emails, that kind of stuff, where you don't really want to do that. Your time is best spent really looking for hot products, looking for the next product that you plan on selling in your e-commerce web store, all right, or on Amazon. All right, that is where your time is best spent. It's not answering admin emails or trying to figure out, even uploading pictures. I don't upload pictures to my Amazon store, all right, or to my website. I have a website designer does that for me for $6 US an hour. Why would I do that where my time is best spent either speaking to the supplier in China or trying to get the better price or trying to negotiate on shipping or even just speaking to a customer, right? These are the high-level activities, the stuff that's making me money. It's not uploading a picture to my web store of my new product. You can hire someone to do that. So start thinking, what can you outsource to other people and what stuff should you be doing in your import Amazon business, okay? So guys, thanks for joining me today. My name's Alex Ryan. And if you are looking for a free video program on how to import from China, how to choose hot products, how to go about starting or launching an import-export business, like I said, I've been doing this for a long time right now. And we do web classes. We've got a free webinar right now on our website. I go to China. I also meet up with a lot of our clients and we do workshops and seminars in Guangzhou or Hong Kong. We do them both. Hong Kong's a great place to go to, by the way. And if you're looking to learn about starting an import business and starting a thriving e-commerce website where you're selling hot products, give us a call. My number's on the screen there. That's an Australian number, 02 8003 7534. I also have a UK and a USA phone number in the description below here. A lot of our clients are based in the US and Australia, so it's kind of like it's actually a good proportion of people. So I do actually fly to US sometimes to meet a few people, but a lot of them we meet in China. And it's a really thrilling experience if you haven't yet been to the Canton Fair. Guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you know someone else who's interested in this, please share it, and I'll talk to you real soon. See you later.